Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google AI Studio. And in today's video, I'll show you how to generate AI video from text using Google AI Studio without any stress. So let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you have this app on your phone. Whether you are using Android phone or iPhone, just go ahead and make sure you have AI Studio on your phone. However, you can also have access to it on your web browser. So for you to have access to it on web browser, go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. When you open up your Chrome browser, go ahead and click on here and type in aistudio.google.com, hit on enter, and you'll be taken right here. Okay, so if you are having access to this particular section for the first time, you will be asked to log in with your Google account. So what you need to do is to enter your Google account, then you will be right here. Okay, so you can click on here and see your AI Google Studio right here. Now, how do you make use of Veo 3.1 volume to create a realistic video with your Google AI Studio? When you're getting to your page right here in video section, go ahead and click on here. Now you are here. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on here. So this is a new feature anyway, and you will be taken right here. Go ahead and click on continue to select AP key. Next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on here to close this pop-up to use the free version. So I'm going to click on here now. To close this pop-up. Now we are here. VE3 Studio. Now, next thing you want to do here is to do your layout setting. So for that, go ahead and click on here to do your layout setting, and you are here. Next thing you want to do right here is to click on here. Then you have Veo 3.1 fast generate preview. Then you have 3.1 generate preview. So you can switch to any of them right here. So I prefer to use fast. Then come to the aspect ratio. So here you can generate a video of 16 by 9 or 9 by 16, which is in form of this is in form of short or TikTok or for Instagram. However, I'm going to leave it in landscape, which is normal standard video layout. Then the resolution here, so you can generate a resolution of higher quality, which is 1080 pixels. So I'm going to select it. Next thing we want to do here, after we have done with our layout of the outputs of the production, next thing we want to do is to click on here and enter our text. So once you click on that, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on text to video right here. The next thing we want to do is to enter our prompt right here. So once I enter my prompt, so you can see my prompt, a chef in Chinese restaurant making burgers. He is flipping surrounded by kitchen flames. So this is my prompt right here, just like what you see. I'm going to put this prompt in the description of this video. Once you enter your prompt, go ahead and click on here